U.S. Army Transportation Corps instructors guided 21 Transportation Management Coordinator students through a series of vehicle transport events Friday, as part of a culminating exercise here at Fort Lee's Expeditionary Intermodal Operations Training Facility.
For me, the hands-on training is the most effective because I actually get that experience of tying down on a rail, being inside of an aircraft, tying down in there, center of balance with pallets. That helps for me more than just being in a classroom getting a bunch of information.
Army and Air Force instructors differentiated instructional strategies to not only meet individual learning styles, but also to best prepare students for the joint operations environment that awaits them.
A good example is when we had the hurricane in Puerto Rico, we didn't have areas that we cannot, roads were damaged, so we actually had vessels that can dock in any location, so we can bring the assets to those locations so that the people there can have water and certain things that they require. We also work along with the Air Force. When we have to use their planes, we have to supervise our own equipment in order for them to be loaded into the planes.
A lot of people wouldn't say that transportation is as important as, like, say, infantry or, something along those lines, but transportation, especially the way we do it, we get a mass amount of vehicles and personnel into an area in not a lot of time, so I'd say that's really important.